What's up guys, this is a quick tutorial on getting an object to move to random locations, all on its own. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to make two game objects. I made one named player and one named food, and we are going to give both of them a 2D box collider and a 2D rigid body. Now make two scripts, named whatever you want. I named mine after the two objects that they will be connected to. And let's open up our food script. First, delete the pre-existing methods as they are not needed, and create an onCollision 2D method. Inside of this method, type int underscore random x equals random.range brackets -10, comma 10, semicolon, and int underscore random y equals random.range bracket -5, comma 5, m bracket, semicolon. This code creates two random integers that are within the scene space. And now type transform.position equals new vector2 bracket underscore random x, comma underscore random y, and bracket, semicolon. This will change the object's location using the integers we made. Now switch over to the player script, and the first thing we're going to do is make a rigid body for each object and create a speed integer equal to 5. Then create a private void awake method, and inside of that use the player rigid body we made in the namespace, and type underscore player rigid body equals get component rigid body 2D, semicolon. And now the final piece of code might look a little complex, but it's the same thing 4 times with a slight variation. Create a fixed update method, and inside of it type if, open bracket, this dot underscore food rigid body dot position dot y greater than this dot transform dot position dot y, close bracket, open curly bracket, underscore player rigid body dot add force, open bracket, vector2 dot up times this dot underscore speed, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket. Now type that exact code but with a less than instead of a greater than, and repeat both but replace both position.y's with position.x. And now if we go back to our scene and drag our scripts onto their objects and drag the food rigid body into the player script, it should work. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you found it useful. Good luck with whatever you're working on out there. See you next time.